beauties, welcome back to my channel. So, don't mind. So you guys, I kind of wanted to do a new review on the Huda Beauty, and I've been wanting to do it. I feel like I can't even talk because it's just so much. I've just been trying to get all the foundations that I've been wanting to try out for you guys, and I've been wanting for myself as well. And I finally got my hands on the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and this one is in Pound Cake. I've heard so many good reviews about it, well, as far as people trying it out and stuff, and the smell is amazing, so that had me going. And I've also got my hand on the Huda Beauty foundation. I couldn't wait to do it. I couldn't wait to face. That's what I'm talking about. And it says to use use a pump or less. I'm gonna read more into it. It says high coverage cream foundation. Okay, so it's a high coverage cream foundation. So I already did my eye look with her palette. I went in and I used the Huda Beauty nude palette. These are the colors, and the colors that I used for my eye, for my transition, I used Bare, which is like a nice natural bear shade. Bear shade, sorry. And then after that I went in with lace, and I went in my crease with it. Now I love this color because it's like a lavender matte color, and it's just like another transition before I add on the darker colors. And I went in with Spank and Love Bite, which is the two purples here on the side. And these I don't know about you guys, beauty tests, but I'm into buttery, creamy eyeshadows, and this palette is all about that, and her other palettes are. And this is something about a buttery pigment that I'm into. So I just want to buy. If you guys know any other palettes, like, it doesn't have to be brand or anything, but if you guys know any other palettes that are like buttery, what are they, matte and shimmers, and they're buttery, please drop them down below, because I want to be able to keep trying them out. But yeah, so I just created this eye look with that. And for my eyelid I used Daydream, Infatuated, and Excite, which is Daydream is this color right here. It's like a pink iridescence, like a pink purple iridescence. And then we used two other red glitter shimmers. So we are just gonna go in after this is tired. I'm tired. Okay, so I already basically like hydrated my face, primed my face, blurred my face, so my face is good to go. Now I got this foundation, it's in Shortbread, and it is in 200B Shortbread. That's the name of this foundation I got. Okay, it comes in, I touched it before, but it comes in like this. And it is in Shortbread. I hope this is my color, because I was trying to find my color like crazy, and I asked for help and they're like, never send anyone. So I just hope I picked my right color. Okay guys, oh my god, it smells like perfume. Her foundation smells like perfume. I don't know, I don't mind things that have a scent, but as I got older, I got very like mature and not wanting to put just whatever on my face. So I just hope, because I know that certain foundations just break me out, and that's not cool because I already have dry skin. See, I'm already kind of broken out from the last foundation, which is not good. Like literally, the LA Colors, I think it was the LA Pro foundation, I think is the illuminating one, that one. Like, and I really like the color because it comes very pigment. But anyway, okay guys, so you already know beauties, we're gonna try this Huda Beauty foundation along with the bake powder and we're gonna see how this all goes. I'm just gonna go right in. You guys know how I do my foundation, so we're just gonna skim through this and test this out, talk about it, and see how the formula displays, so on and so forth. And if you are new, welcome and thank you for even coming to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
I wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real but you seem so fake. I'm sober trying to move on but you're in my way. I'm sober trying to move on but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you.
So far the foundation is, I don't know, it's very good. Like, it's light. It covered up a little bit that I had under my eye, like any darkness a little bit, but I'm gonna use another pump one more time and see how that comes out, because I kind of feel like I wanna, I don't know, you know how you have certain parts that are missing, so I'm just going over the parts that are missing. Oh gosh, it smells so good. My skin is not dried out. So far it's been staying, it hasn't moved. The consistency is really good and it smells awesome. Like, I just want to use this to go out. I don't even want to use this for looks. Like, that's how good this foundation is. I don't want to wear it only to do on camera unless I'm actually stepping out. So that's how good it is already, sis. Cash it or pass it? I haven't even gone through my whole video, but I'm gonna definitely say cash it. Okay, and even though I'm not going anywhere, but I just want to come and do the full look for you guys, so I'm gonna cream contour. I'm gonna contour, add a little bit of blush, and then move right in with the easy the pound cake.
I wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I might go insane. I don't really
Foundation brush. I'm just gonna, this is like good for cream concealer, cream foundation, cream contour, and I'm just gonna buff that in my skin to hide this big forehead of mine, sis. And we're gonna blush away. I'm doing it like a curve because I want to create my cheeks. I just don't want it to be like, you know. And we're just gonna dip it here. I like it because it creates like a natural chocolatey effect. It's nothing like crazy. So see what I mean? As soon as you put it on, it's like right there. Naturally right there. Before I go in with my easy bake pound cake, I'm gonna do the under eye. I'm gonna add love lace under my eye, and then I'm gonna add my mascara and my lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so that was a lie. When I went to check, my camera completely stopped and I did not know. So this is a few pictures of the look. Once again, thank you so much for all your support, and I can't wait to see you on the next